Konnichiwa! It's Clive Linden here again with another Japanese cooking for idiots, and today we're doing Miso Dengaku. Miso Dengaku, which is basically aubergine, really. That's what we're doing. I've never cooked or done anything. That sounds a bit weird. I've never done anything with aubergine before. Anyway, that's what we're going to do today. So what you'll need is 1 aubergine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of miso paste, 2 of the sesame seed oil, which we'll be using for the frying later. So first of all, wash and cut. So I've already washed and cut the aubergine. No, I haven't cut it, but I've already washed the aubergine. So we're going to cut it. Cut off the end. Hope I'm doing this right. I've never prepared an aubergine before, as I've said. And I'm going to slice it down the middle, yeah?
Yes.
Right. Okay. And then we're going to do crisscross patterns. Yeah? About 1 centimetre deep, you say?
Yeah. Or even more.
Yeah. Like that, you can see? Look at that. Beautiful. Same again on this one. So there you go. Beautiful diamond crisscross patterns. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in cold water. I've got here, and that just takes what we're doing here, just sort of softening the skin a bit, just taking some of the texture off.
No,
yeah.
It's harshness in
It's
inside.
harshness.
Yeah, yeah.
You mean in terms of its flavour?
Yeah. Turn it around. Yeah, other way.
Upside down?
Yeah, upside down.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought they were going to float like boats.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Right, so we'll leave that about 5 minutes. While that is soaking there, just chilling, we're going to mix up the sauce. So remember the 1 tablespoon soy sauce, bam. 2 tablespoons of the sugar, boom. 2 tablespoons of the mirin, and then the miso paste. 2 tablespoons of miso paste. And then mix it all together. And there you go. That is the sauce that we're going to be putting on the aubergines later. So I'm just going to put that in the pan for now. And then while we're heating that very gently, we're going to preheat this one. Preheat the pan. So we'll give those about 5 minutes, as I said, and then we'll cook them in the pan. So we'll come back later. Cheers. So we've got a sauce here which we're just heating up. As soon as it starts boiling or anything like that, we'll just take it straight off the heat. Okay, so we'll do that. This is preheated now. So we take the sesame oil, and we're going to put it in there and just, yeah. There we go. Let's give that Then we can take these out. I'm going to lower the heat because I can smell like burning already. Just take these out. You can see a bit of the water's changed colour slightly. And you can see in there, probably not. Anyway, I'm just going to put these on this paper towel just to take out some of the moisture. Wow, that is hot. Then we're going to put them face down. Now, the water. Well, I put them. What do they say? Twice shy. Once burned, twice shy. Right, okay. So when you put them in here, make sure you take the heat right down. Well, this is bubbling away here. A bit more, I think. Let's have a look. There we are. That looks good. Just put that back. While we're waiting for all this boiling away, we can take this off the heat. See that boiling away there. So we can just take that off the heat, put that over there. That's our sauce ready. Is there a way of testing whether it's soft enough?
Yeah, just a turn. Turn it around. Please. Yeah, good. And another one. Yeah. Not yet, not yet. Other one turn. No, not that one. That one, yeah.
Or just doing their backs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put lid on.
Okay, so that's nice and golden brown there. Turn them over now. You put the lid on.
Yeah.
It's on a low heat still.
Yeah, leave for a while. Yeah. Let's see until soften.
Yeah, and we'll leave those, basically going to leave those until they're soft, and we'll come back then.
Inside.
Okay, so I'm just going to check them now. So as you can see here, it's nice and soft, but it's not quite done. Can you see there? Sort of layered there, and then it's paler here, which means it's not cooked all the way through yet. And so that's what we're waiting for. It feels quite soft and tender, but we want it to be cooked all the way through. That's what we're looking for. Do you think it's worth flipping them over now?
Yeah.
Let's flip them over again, and we'll see if we can speed up that process. So we'll just
Squish
squish it down a bit,
yeah,
squish it down a bit.
Yeah. And put the lid on. Yeah, and wait.
Just wait a few more minutes until it's absolutely soft and lovely. Right, so time to plate up. Looking absolutely gorgeous. It's like it's alive. The little squares sort of rise every so often. Oh, I don't want to ruin this with my bad. It's so soft. Look at that. Right, put that over there. And then the sauce. Now the idea of the sauce that we're making is meant to be quite sticky. It's probably a little bit more runny than ideal. This miso that we're using here is quite a runny one. If you're using the paste, you'll probably find it a bit more sticky. You can buy the miso paste in jars. I saw it at Tesco's when we were in there today. Actually, you can get it in jars. But if it's a bit too runny, I'll tell you a little secret. We've added tiny little bit of corn flour just to try and thicken it up. Anyway, the idea is just then with the sauce is just spread it across it. Look at how it falls into the gaps. Beautiful. It's filling up the gaps. If you could see this. There we are. What do we do? Do we be generous here or just
all of them? You could
all of it?
Yeah.
So there we go. Right, wow. You see that? That all the sauce running off the plate. Miso Dengaku. Miso Dengaku. Miso Dengaku.
You can have a skin as well. You can eat them all.
Oh, that is so nice. I say that about everything, but seriously. Again, I don't always have aubergine, but the sweetness of that sort of soy and mirin mixture with the sugar in it on this. So easy to do. Miso Dengaku, delish. I hope you like these videos. Please hit like, subscribe, put any comments down below, anything you'd like me to see me cook, anything like that. I much appreciate it. Thank you, and keep looking out for the videos. Cheers!